Hi everyone. So welcome to the troubleshooting part of the course. Look, I want to just quickly tell you, it's okay to get stuck. It's okay to have problems. You're not the only one. It happens to everyone. It happens to me. It happens to every single developer I've ever met. It's happened to them as well. Hell, it happens to Unity. It happens to, there's a reason we have bug reports. They have problems with their own code themselves, right? So it's okay if something goes wrong. Don't be hard on yourselves. There's a few things you should do, and there's a few things you shouldn't do. The key thing you shouldn't do is, if something goes wrong, you shouldn't be hard on yourself, right? You shouldn't just give up, and you shouldn't, you shouldn't just say, "Oh, well, this sucks. Forget it. It's over." Right? Don't do that. Just be cool, right? Follow these steps, and you'll be okay. The first thing you want to do is, if you have a problem with this course, go to the troubleshooting part, so this part here that you're on, and check if it's already been solved. If someone else has already pointed it out, it might be a solution to it already. The second thing you want to do is go to the Q&A part of this course, so you can leave a question. If you've got a question, you can leave it there. If you've already try the troubleshooting one. The third thing you can do is try Google as well. Look, it's a wealth of information. I always Google everything if I get an issue. And the final thing is, obviously, leave a question as well. For me, contact me. I'm here to help on the course. I'm not just saying that. I wanted to make sure, look, someone here has been intelligent enough, Christian has been intelligent enough to leave a question because he had an issue. And I'm actually doing this entire troubleshooting section because someone had a problem, and I realized this should be a troubleshooting part of this course. So I'm going to answer this question in the next section below, and I'll continue to answer questions that you guys have. So don't be afraid to leave a question. I'm not just saying that. I know there's someone out there who's just thinking, he's just saying he wants to help us. He doesn't really. I really do. So leave a question. It's okay. I'm gonna do my best to answer that. I'll try within within a week. I'll try to find that solution. I'll try to get back to you, as in just let you know I'm looking at it within 24 hours. There might be a case that I can't solve the issue. That's a possibility, right? Don't be offended. Don't be hurt by that. That's just the way things work with code. Sometimes I don't know what machines you have. I can't answer everything. If you do development, there's some things that are just way too tricky. But the best thing you can do, and this was actually done by Christian, he sent over, it was in another message actually, sent some images, a screenshot. He showed me what he was seeing, and by doing that I was able to duplicate the error on my machine. And by duplicating on my machine, it means it's more likely that I can solve your issue. So if you do have a problem, go through those steps, check the troubleshooting section, this section that you're on, check the Q&A section, just in case I've answered someone's question via that. Check Google, then leave a question yourself. Message me if you need to with some screenshots to show me what you're seeing and to give me as much information. That way I can answer your question. I'll try to come up with a solution within, let's say, a week. It gives me a bit of time to research it as well, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Now I've got back to Christian within an hour, letting him know that I'm going to solve that, and I'm just doing this video in particular to help make sure it's as clear as possible. So I'm willing to help you guys without this. Like I said, I really want to help you guys. This is what the troubleshooting is about. So let's just get on with that now.